Your phone is not slow. You just didn't turn off these settings. I'm serious. I fixed mine in 2 minutes. Now it feels brand new. First, location access. Why are random apps tracking you all the time? Set it to only while using the app. You don't need it running 24/7. Next, background apps. Many apps run even when you close them. Turn this off for apps you don't use. This saves battery and improves speed. Now, auto updates. Apps updating in the background can slow your phone. Switch updates to manual. Next, ad tracking. Your phone tracks your activity for ads. Turn off personalized ads for better privacy. Now, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Your phone keeps scanning even when turned off. Disable this in location settings. It saves battery. Next, notifications. Too many notifications slow your phone. Turn off the ones you don't need. Now, auto brightness. Sometimes it increases brightness too much. Turn it off and adjust it manually. Next, keyboard data sharing. Some keyboards collect typing data. Disable data sharing in settings. Now, nearby device scanning. Your phone keeps searching for devices. Turn it off to save battery. Finally, app permissions. Some apps don't need camera or microphone access. Remove unnecessary permissions. Do this once. Your phone will feel faster and smoother. Follow for more simple tech tips.